My name is Bedell. I'm on the women's soccer team and I'm a senior studying business administration. I chose to come to Morrisville because it was somewhat close to home. I'm only 45 minutes. I live in New Hartford. I've always been a student athlete and Morrisville provided me the opportunity to continue being a student athlete. I fell in love with the girls on the team and the campus here. The facilities here are wonderful. We have indoor rec opportunities that allows us to play inside on rainy days or on cold days. And we have a really great new turf field that's black that I love to play on, and it's not too hot. We have a lot of new buildings that were just recently redone, and they're all easy access. The faculty here are very willing to help you. They're very one-on-one. It's a smaller program. They're all very welcoming and very helpful. I struggle a lot with anxiety and having to overcome that balance of putting my mental health first and still being successful as a student and as an athlete was definitely a challenge. But the people here have helped me, and I've also had a lot of external help from family members and therapy, and I wouldn't be here at Morrisville and I wouldn't be the person today without going through those experiences. The reason why I was interested in business was because my dad owns his own real estate firm and I would love to follow into his footsteps. I started playing soccer around 6 or 7. I played ASO soccer and then from there I just fell in love with the sport and continued on through New Hartford and also club teams. And then that led me here to Morrisville. I would say that the people here define my success, both athletically on the field and as a student. The people on the team help define me and push me to become a better athlete, as well as the coaches here and the athletic trainers. The teachers here push me to be better. And I would also say, friends and family also help as well. The highlight of my career at SUNY Morrisville was winning the division championship here last year. This was our first ever championship in the women's soccer program. The word that defines my experience as a Mustang is belonging. I just feel like I finally found a place where I belong and it feels like I'm at home.